We come from different worlds. You like to laugh at me.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Winston-Salem PD is searching for a AYDEN, DUPREE, SILER, RIPPY. AYDEN SILER is a 1-year-old black male, 2 foot 5 inch tall, weighs 24 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. No abductor information is available at this time other than a dark in color CHRYSLER 200 and 3 black males. They were last seen south on EBERT Road from CLEMMONSVILLE Road. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Winston-Salem PD immediately at 336-773-7700 or dial 911 or star HP. This is an Amber Alert.